Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to instantly transfer files to a student. So first is go to snapdrop.net, and this will be their homepage. Now from here you will have two options. You could upload a single file over here, or you could upload a folder. So in my case, I will upload a file, so click on this one, and from here just simply locate the file that you want to upload. So I have a Word document over here. So I'm going to click on that and select open. And after that, it will be uploaded. So just simply wait for it to be done. From here, guys, as you can see, we have the file uploaded. You can just simply select share over here. And now after that, you will have an option over here, send via email. So just simply provide the email of your student. And after that, just simply select send email. And after that, select this captcha over here. And as you can see, you will have here email sent. So from there, you will just simply keep doing that and send it to all of your students. So just simply get their emails and should be able to use this platform over here. So guys, in the student perspective, it will look something like this. So you can just simply select get your files over here as a student, and they should be able to download it from here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.